Welcome again to Trade Doc, the option trader, where we recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan through our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is October 19th, 2016. It's a Wednesday. The market's closed up green, with the S&P and the Dow up 0.22%, Nasdaq slightly up 0.05%, and the Russell up 0.44%. Not pretty, let's say pretty average. In the futures, we see the majors up 0.12%, and the Russell and the Dow up 0.16%, and they're moving in tangent. Bonds are down slightly. The VIX is up, moving up. Crude is down to 51.77. Natural gas hitting 317, almost 318, up 1/4%. Gold is completely unchanged. It was up to 1270. Silver is back down. It was up 1/4%. Now is up 0.118%. Copper and platinum kind of unchanged. The dollar unchanged, it's moving down slightly. Australian dollar is almost going to be unchanged, and the pound hitting the 123 mark and stabilizing. Looking through the charts, let's get through them because I haven't, and you guys haven't seen the whole watch list. So with crude oil, today they moved up. We still have our sell signal here. I'm not going to initiate anything else, but if it does close above, say 1177, then we're going to have to close this out, reestablish a short position up there. Oil and gas explorers moved up again, up 1.09%. This is natural gas moving up. Looks like there might be a channel trading. Gap down and moved up. It's gonna stabilize in this area. I don't doubt it. Gold gapped up and closed into a star below its 20-day moving average. Now this could fall back down a hair, but there's more positive upside than there's downside, especially with what's going on these days. And the gold miners moved up past the mid, halfway through our channel, and they should have no problem reaching the top of the channel. And once they hit the top of the channel, maybe establish to lock in some profits, using some options. Silver, when they're up almost 0.5%, a little bit more than gold, but we expect this to move up. It's doing pretty well. This is TLT, the bonds, moving up for the third day in a row. Could it get to the top of this channel? As maybe, but looks like it gave us a buy signal about 3 days ago. It touched the bottom of the channel. XLE still obeying this channel, and until we see a break one way or another, I say it's going to remain on this channel. A good neutral strategy would be good to play XLE, but correlated to oil and kind of depending on the policies and things like that, this channel can't continue this trend. You can see how sharp they were from here, say right here. See when they trade in this range, how sharp this angle is. Now the angle has flattened out. So guess what? And you can almost see this close. Actually, let's get a little closer. Look at this close. this high. Let's see if this is going into a channel, and you can almost build a case saying that it's already flattening out. So we have this uptrend, this starting to flatten out, and this one. Let me change this up just to take a better look at it. You can see the orange line here, and it's basically flat. So that is XLE, the energy sector. We have XLI, industrials, moving in this triangle. The support I got at 56.57. Buy opportunities, and hopefully it can break out of here. XLU moving up slightly and closing down, kind of even, just below its 20-day moving average. So this, we could say, we don't have no signal and we're going to stay disciplined, so I'm not going to place any buy sell signal, but this, I expect it to move down. Material sector moved up, closed up above its 20-day moving average. How much time does it spend above its 20-day moving average? It hasn't been up there for a while. Healthcare, we have a long position on it from this bottom, just because we had a buy signal, so we put that in. This will bounce, is going to hover around, plenty of buy opportunities here. Another buy signal coming from the real estate ETF, and today it went up another almost 0.5% and almost closed up to the 20-day moving average. Looking a little bullish. Here the home builders, we put a buy on it because we will be establishing a short-term home builder position. Maybe, well, there's a couple stocks that we're going to be using, not using this XHB, just using it for guidance. Here, the retail sector, we did put a sell on it yesterday. If you saw the video, today it went up. So, and we do have a position on XRT. The IB is pretty low, so we're buying the verticals. And it closed at yesterday's open. Consumer staples traveling down on this channel, and they went down another 0.5% today. So we'll take a look at that. We'll keep looking at that. Those are the consumer staple index XLP. Now we finally get to the dollar. The dollar moved up and it's been on fire after it broke out of this triangle. We had a sell signal here, and the sell signal ended about 3 days ago. It ended on this high here. Now, will the dollar continue to move up? I think it needs to take a break pretty soon. I'm not going to put any position on it, even though we should. We'll see what tomorrow's close does, and most likely put a position on it. Finally, the SPY S&P moved up today, moved above this support line. This is a long support as well, and we did either open or close some positions, and since we're short, most likely we closed. We got the diamonds moving sideways in this channel, and expect more of that until the elections are over. The Russell, same thing, moving sideways, almost creating a triangle. The Qs, they're moving up and they're strong. Probably the best sector there is. You can see that it did break that. Now it's just teetering around its 20-day moving average. The emerging markets, they moved up today, and China is trading sideways it with the British pound.